So, how you going? Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Mark Faust, and I would like to talk with you about the new Sigma 28 to 70mm C Contemporary. So I hope this gave you a little bit more insight to this lens and whether or not you want to get it. Until I see you guys later, go out there and shoot. And I know in COVID sometimes you have to think about lockdown, etc. But do go out there. Don't be dismayed by what's happening outside. I mean, the great outdoors are still there to be had. So under these circumstances, I'll catch you all later, and happy shooting, guys.